Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the latest buzz in the smartphone world, the highly anticipated Galaxy S25 Ultra. With each new release, Samsung continues to push the boundaries of innovation, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra is no exception. Let's explore what makes this upcoming smartphone so exciting. Design. First, let's talk about the design. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to feature a more rounded design, making it more comfortable to hold. This subtle change aims to enhance the user experience, providing a better grip and a more ergonomic feel. While the rear camera design is likely to remain largely unchanged, it will still boast 6 Q-touts for the camera's flashlight and laser distance meter. Additionally, the bezels on the Galaxy S25 Ultra will be further reduced compared to the Galaxy S24 series, offering a more immersive display. Camera. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra will build upon the strong camera foundation of the Galaxy S24 Ultra, delivering refined performance and advanced features. Its 200MP wide-angle camera remains the highlight, offering incredibly detailed and high-resolution images. This sensor is designed to capture every nuance with sharpness, making it ideal for landscapes, group shots, and detailed close-ups. Complementing the primary camera is a 10MP telephoto lens, which is perfect for portraits and distant subjects. This lens provides natural background blur bokeh and helps achieve professional-grade images with impressive depth. One of the standout improvements is the 50MP periscope lens designed for advanced zoom functionality. This lens enhances the S25 Ultra's zooming abilities, allowing users to photograph distant objects with incredible detail and minimal loss in quality. These three lenses work together with Samsung's sophisticated software optimizations, delivering excellent low-light performance, AI-enhanced image processing, and improved color accuracy. Overall, the S25 Ultra's camera system is poised to offer unmatched versatility, making it one of the best camera phones on the market for photographers and videographers alike. A 12MP ultra-wide lens rounds out the array, perfect for capturing expansive landscapes or group shots with a wide field of view. While the hardware configuration may seem similar to the previous model, Samsung is expected to introduce several upgrades. These could include enhanced image processing algorithms, improved optical image stabilization, OIS, and software optimizations that take full advantage of the hardware to deliver even sharper, more vibrant photos and videos. These advancements are likely to improve low-light performance, dynamic range, and color accuracy, ensuring that the Galaxy S25 Ultra remains one of the best smartphone cameras on the market. Whether shooting in broad daylight or challenging low-light conditions, users can expect crisp, professional-quality images with minimal effort. Screen. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra will feature a slightly larger display than its predecessor, growing from 6.8 inches on the Galaxy S24 Ultra to 6.86 inches. While this increase may seem minimal, the combination of a larger screen and reduced bezels will significantly enhance the overall visual experience. The thinner bezels mean that more of the front of the phone is dedicated to the screen, providing a more immersive edge-to-edge display. The larger screen is expected to offer improvements in brightness, color accuracy, and refresh rate, making content appear more vibrant and fluid. This could also benefit activities like photo editing or viewing high-resolution images, as the nearly bezel-less design ensures fewer distractions, allowing users to focus on the content itself. Samsung's use of advanced AMOLED technology in its displays means deeper blacks, punchier colors, and exceptional contrast ratios, ensuring that the increased screen real estate doesn't just add size, but enhances the overall quality of the visuals. Whether for media consumption, gaming, or multitasking, the Galaxy S25 Ultra's slightly larger display promises a more engaging, immersive experience while maintaining the device's premium sleek design. Launch. Finally, let's talk about the launch. The Galaxy S25 series is expected to be announced during the week of January 13, 2025, just after CES. This timing allows Samsung to showcase its latest innovations to a global audience, building excitement and anticipation for the new release. Mark your calendars, because the Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be one of the most exciting smartphones of the year. In summary, the Galaxy S25 Ultra promises to bring several exciting improvements to the table. From a more comfortable design and impressive camera setup to a slightly larger screen and an anticipated launch in January 2025, there's a lot to look forward to. Stay tuned to our channel for more updates and news on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.